I'm all alone. All right, another easy one. Yeah, looks like we're still loaded from the last one. All right, another one down. Looks like we got a stick here. Gotta love when you collect some lawn sticks and whatever else comes your way on the lawn. Hopefully not any dogs, LOL. Yesterday I had a guy warn me about his black cat. Thinking to myself, they usually scatter when they hear the engine. Cats are pretty smart. Said, oh, I just didn't want you to run them over. Yeah, that's not gonna happen, buddy. I love cats. That's steel green right there, the SG36. That's one heck of a machine. That's it. Got one last thing to do because I just don't feel comfortable leaving it. Grab my treatment gloves here. These are waterproof gloves meant for handling chemicals. Make sure you turn off those valves. There is a valve over here for, if I could find it. Where the heck is it? Oh man. It would do this to me. Ah, right here. It was buried. Oh, it was already on. Never mind. If it's going with the pipe, it means it's on. Now, flip your power on, turn the pump on, and your handy dandy little spray gun here works. Twist the nozzle. Spray all them little weeds, get them out of there. Yeah, I'm not gonna hit the beds because I don't feel comfortable. I did get that bed over there, but just a little bit of it. But I don't want to hit too many of the stuff I don't want to hit. You kill people's plants, it's not good. But you want to kill their weeds, they definitely appreciate that, especially on the steps that we're not spraying weeds. But we just started spraying weeds today, so I'm hitting them.